Hey, greetings to you. Greetings to you, family, my people, wherever you are in the world. I'm happy to be here with you again and to thank Mother Nature for life, for taking care of us wherever you are. Permit me to do so before I hit the road. I just want to share my thoughts with you. You know what? We are blessed. We are truly blessed that Mother Nature have given us everything. When it comes to what you eat, may your food be your medicine. You know, gone were those days that I'm always on the go. I don't have time for breakfast. I want to be on the corporate plantation. But today I can tell you that when you have your own business, when you're working for yourself, when you have that financial freedom, then you can decide to be yourself. You can decide to wake up and be at work anytime that you want. And don't forget, what you are is what you eat. Your food is your medicine. So now I just learned in a hard way by being stubborn not to take care of my body. Now I'm trying to discipline myself to be veggie. At least my morning will consist of alkaline water. You wake up, you drink alkaline water. All right? Water is life. 80% of your body is water. And on the planet, 80% is covered with water. Water is very important. And if we deprive ourselves from drinking that water, just sit down. Just nanosecond, few minutes, sit down, meditate, and drink water when you wake up. It cleans the body, it cleans the system. You are detoxing your body from all the toxics, and that will help you longer days ahead. Make the longer days worth it, valuable for yourself. Health is everything, not money. Just ask yourself, you have all the money, but you don't have good health. How's your life gonna be? You can't enjoy your money. Health first before money. Health number one, numero uno. Begrijp gezondheid is heel belangrijk. Gezondheid is heel belangrijk. Okay? So we have to pay attention to that. So what I do is I make sure I get my carrot. Let me show you. This is my bag. You see? So when I'm driving, I'm chewing it. You know, I'm having my breakfast already when I'm driving. So I make myself productive. I'm driving, I'm eating, chewing my carrot. I got my cucumber. My turmeric is there. My mint. You know, mint. Just to freshen up your, your mouth. So when you're talking to your clients, or your people, they know that your mouth is smelling good. It's very important. This is our nature, natural. The only thing is the plastic bag. You understand? You have to put it somewhere. This will help you a long way. Keep you healthy, keep you strong. This is the mint from my garden, fresh from my garden. You understand? Plant. If you have a garden, make sure that you plant mint, herbs, or plant some herbs to help you. Fresh in the morning, just pluck a little bit of your mint, chew it, freshen your mouth, smell good. All right? I mean, you can use toothpaste. If you're in Africa, let me advise, if you're in Africa, go to neem tree. Pluck the leaf. Is very good for dental. It kills a lot of bacteria or germs. All right, give you strong teeth, strong mouth. This is it. Make a habit. Do what I'm doing. If you are following me, don't just follow me. Don't just follow me and be there in TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. Do something. Take an action. This month, July, is gonna be a month of action. we do the talk. Let's do the walk. Let's do the walk now. We black people, we like talking, blah 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 blah. Let's do the walk. Let's do the walk. Now, before I close this for you, I'm having a business class, a master class on Zoom. So when you're on Facebook, I can give you the link. I think let me just put the link here in my TikTok video so you can get it easily. Follow me, master class, how to make money using AI technology. It is there. People are making money. My kid, that time he was 14, was even making more money than me. I'm telling you. My son, Selassie, if you're watching this video, I'm calling your name. I'm telling my people that you were making money with your graphic design art when you are the age of 14. And when I buy you the laptop, I want you, hey boy, don't play game. Don't be playing people's game. Play your own game. Develop your own game. Learn it. And now he didn't develop game, but he used the creativity of drawing. He liked drawing. I took him to a lot of art classes just to inspire his drawing. He's very good when he was young. He liked drawing, so you have to send him to classes, extra classes, and pay for it. So if you're a parent, if you recognize the natural ability and talent in your child, push it, push him or her higher. If you recognize a talent, a unique talent in your child, push that child, pay for it. As a parent, that's your responsibility. Invest into your child, all right, and it will be good for them. If you don't harvest the benefit, it's good for them. That's the reason why you brought them into this world. Invest into them. Invest in their ability. If you support your child that have some talent, every child have a talent. Every child, every person have something. Your inner calling is there. Listen to yourself, all right? And you start with food. Eating the right food will help you also to think better, so that you can activate your common sense, your intuitive intelligence and emotional intelligence, and common sense is way. So you activate it so that your antenna, which is your hair, is in alignment with this cosmic energy, the vibrational frequency, so you can receive thoughts that will help you and help humanity. Plants and animals, don't forget also. They're also part and parcel of our kingdom, of our nature. Plants and animals, don't forget them. All right? So that's all for you. So what am I saying? My business class is coming on 7th July. 7th July, which is Sunday. We're going to have a business class. I have a friend from China, Wen Hu, who is an international business entrepreneur. Listen to him. He's going to talk about doing business with China. You know that China have a global economical power. You know that. And then we also have Dr. Kwa, my tech guru, who taught me how to use AI. Just come and listen to him. It costs you nothing to listen. Listen. That way we have 2 ears here. Your ears are 2 for you to listen more than to do the talking. That's why they say action speaks louder than words. Listen. Let's learn to listen. That's why when you're doing meditation, you are listening. You are listening to the God within yourself. That's why you close your eyes to listen to the God within yourself, your inner voice. Listen. That's why you have 2 ears here and 1 mouth. So talk less and listen more. All right? So come to our master class, our business master class on 7th July, Sunday, at my time, Canadian Eastern Time. I'm in Montreal area. It's going to be 1 p.m. If you're in Ghana, it's going to be 5 p.m. If you're in South Africa, add 2 hours to Ghana time, it's going to be 6 p.m. if you're in South Africa. All right? And if you're in Europe, wherever you are, just calculate the time for yourself. All right? I think you guys are, depending where you are in the world, but my time is 1 p.m. So calculate what time is going to be at your side if you're in Europe. You understand? Or wherever you are in the world. 1 p.m. my time, Eastern Time, Canadian Time, EST, Eastern Time. 1 p.m. we're going to start Zoom meeting, a class where you can learn. We are there to support each other by learning in solidarity and unity. I need you, you need me. That's how it works. The world is not pro-black. The world is not pro-white. The world is not pro-China. We are collectively coming together to build a nation that you profit and I will also profit from it. That's what business is about. Business is about give and take. And the legal tendency is money. You understand? But money is not everything. This, health. This, don't forget your natural vitamins. They are all here. All right? Before you go, take care of yourself and each other. I bow down to the divinity within you with my mind and my heart. Ashe, ashe, ashe.